You bought a TRICO rear wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to remove your old wiper blade and install the TRICO rear blade onto a V-notch arm. To remove your old blade, slide the plastic cover in the center of the blade outward, exposing the arm pin below. Push the blade down until it disengages from the arm. Now that the old blade is removed, it's time to install your new blade. First, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Then, locate adapter G. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade, and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Push the adapter forward until it locks into place. Move the plastic cover in the center of the blade forward, exposing the notch in the center of the blade. Lift the blade into the underside of the wiper arm until it locks onto the arm pin. Move the plastic cover in the center of the blade toward the arm until it locks in place. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.